For the first time in history, Indian astronauts will launch into space aboard an Indian spacecraft, powered by an Indian rocket, protected by Indian engineering. This is Gaganyaan, India's boldest leap into human spaceflight. Hatch Slide 1, ISRO's human spaceflight vision. For decades, entity organization Indian Space Research Organization at low-cost, high-precision space missions. But Gaganyaan is different. This mission is about sending humans safely into orbit and bringing them home alive. 2. Mission objectives. The Gaganyaan mission has 4 major objectives: carry a 3-member crew into low Earth orbit, demonstrate human-rated safety systems, conduct microgravity experiments, and establish India as an independent human spaceflight nation. Hack Slide 3, Overview of the spacecraft. The Gaganyaan spacecraft consists of 2 primary sections: the crew module, where astronauts live and work, and the service module, which provides propulsion, power, and orbital support. Slide 4, Crew Module vs. Service Module. The crew module is the pressurized capsule designed to keep astronauts alive during launch, orbit, and re-entry. The service module supports the mission behind the scenes and separates before re-entry. Slide 5, Structure of the crew module. The crew module uses a double-walled structure with thermal protection systems, pressure control, and impact-resistant engineering designed for survival. Slide 6, The shape of the capsule. The capsule uses a blunt-body conical design, similar to proven spacecraft used worldwide. This shape creates a shockwave during re-entry that pushes extreme heat away from the vehicle. Slide 7, Materials used in Gaganyaan. The spacecraft combines aluminum alloy structures, carbon composite panels, multi-layer insulation, and an indigenous ablative heat shield. Slide 8, Crew Seating System. Inside the capsule are 3 specially designed astronaut seats. They are reclined to distribute G-forces safely during launch and re-entry. Slide 9, Astronaut Safety Systems. Crew safety is the heart of Gaganyaan. The spacecraft includes launch escape systems, pressure suits, thermal protection, crash absorbers, and redundant backup systems. Slide 10, Life Support System. The Environmental Control and Life Support System continuously manages oxygen, temperature, humidity, pressure, and carbon dioxide levels. Slide 11, Oxygen and Air Circulation. High-pressure oxygen tanks supply breathable air, while circulation systems prevent dangerous CO2 buildup inside the cabin. Slide 12, Temperature and Pressure Control. The cabin maintains Earth-like conditions at around 1 atmosphere of pressure and comfortable temperatures between 18 and 27 degrees Celsius. Slide 13, Digital Cockpit Systems. Gaganyaan uses a modern glass cockpit with digital displays instead of traditional analog gauges. Slide 14, Touchscreen and Manual Controls. The spacecraft combines touchscreen interfaces with physical backup switches, ensuring astronauts can operate systems even during emergencies. Slide 15, Communication with Earth. The spacecraft communicates continuously with mission control using S-band radio systems, telemetry links, and emergency backup channels. Slide 16, Launch Escape System. One of the most critical safety systems is the Launch Escape System, or LES. If the rocket fails during ascent, solid rocket motors pull the crew module away within seconds. Hammer Slide 17, Emergency Abort Sequence. The entire emergency escape sequence is automatic and completes in under 5 seconds. Slide 18, the LVM-3 rocket. Gaganyaan launches aboard the Entity Vehicle, LV-LVM-3L rocket. Slide 19, Launch Sequence. During launch, the solid boosters ignite first, followed by liquid stages, and finally the cryogenic upper stage that inserts the spacecraft into orbit. Slide 20, Orbit Insertion. After reaching space, the service module performs precise orbital maneuvers to place Gaganyaan into a stable 400-kilometer orbit. Slide 21, How astronauts survive in space. Astronauts on board follow carefully planned schedules involving food, exercise, sleep, health monitoring, and waste management systems. Slide 22, Power and Battery Systems. Solar arrays generate primary electrical power, while lithium-ion batteries provide backup energy during eclipse periods and emergencies. Slide 23, Navigation and Guidance. The spacecraft combines inertial navigation systems, GPS, star trackers, and ground-based monitoring for precise orbital control. Slide 24, Heat Shield and Reentry. During reentry, The crew module experiences temperatures above 3,000 degrees Celsius. The ablative heat shield burns away layer by layer, carrying heat safely away from the astronauts. Slide 25, Atmospheric Re-entry. As the capsule re-enters Earth's atmosphere at hypersonic speed, plasma forms around the vehicle, temporarily blocking communications. Slide 26, Parachute Deployment. The descent sequence uses drogue parachutes, pilot chutes, and 3 massive main parachutes to slow the capsule safely before splashdown. Slide 27, Splashdown and Recovery. The capsule lands in the Bay of Bengal, where Indian Navy recovery teams retrieve both the astronauts and spacecraft. Slide 28, India's future space plans. Gaganyaan is only the beginning. India plans to build its own space station by 2035 and eventually send Indian astronauts to the moon. India's space legacy. With Gaganyaan, India joins the United States, Russia, and China as one of the only nations capable of independent human spaceflight. Slide 30. Final takeaway. Gaganyaan is more than a spacecraft. It represents India's rise as a major spacefaring nation, powered by science, engineering, and national ambition. If you enjoyed this deep dive into India's first human spaceflight mission, like this video and subscribe to 3D Decode for more futuristic space technologies explained visually in 3D. Comment Gaganyaan if you're proud to see India entering the era of human spaceflight. See you in the next video.